Hey guys, 47 here and welcome to my new video. In this video we are gonna be talking about adult actress Rae Lil Black. Rae Lil Black was born to Japanese parents in Osaka, Japan. Date of birth is August 17, 1996. Her real name is not known while her zodiac sign is Leo. She completed her high school graduation at an unknown educational institute in her hometown. However, her educational qualifications are not revealed at the moment. Her ethnicity is Japanese. However, she hasn't shared any details about her parents or siblings publicly right now. She is a very private person and usually keeps her personal stuff hidden from the internet. Her marital status is unmarried and she is currently single. However, she has been in more than one relationship over the past few years. Rae Lil Black's age is 26 as of 2022. Her height is 5 feet, 153 centimeters, and she weighs around 50 kilograms. Rae has light brown hair and brown eyes. Her body measurements are 35, 25, 37 and her shoe size is 6 US. Looking at her physical appearance, she has a beautiful figure and an amazing personality. Rae Lil Black made her acting debut in 2018. She made her way to the adult film industry after she uploaded her tape on the internet where the video was viewed by millions of people. Soon she was offered to work in the industry. She grabbed the opportunity to kickstart her acting career. She made her debut by appearing in a TV series produced by Fake Taxi on November 19, 2018. After her debut, she started receiving acting offers from various production companies. In her entire career, she has appeared alongside many popular personalities such as Kieran Lee, Jennifer Keelings, etc. Also, she was worked with many production companies such as Fake Hostel, Deeper, and many more. During the pandemic, she was really active on social media as the whole country was under lockdown. She created her Twitch channel to do gaming live streams. On the live streaming website, she has played many video games such as Resident Evil 5, Super Mario Odyssey, etc. Also, she has launched her YouTube channel at the same time. However, she used to upload her Twitch stream highlights on YouTube. She stopped streaming after lockdown restrictions were lifted. Currently, she has more than 264k followers on Twitch while she has over 192k subscribers with 5 million total video views on YouTube. Rae Lil Black's net worth is $1 million, estimated. Her major income sources are acting, modeling and paid subscriptions. She makes most of her revenue from acting only. She acts with prominent production companies and receives a great remuneration for her performances. Also, she likes getting photographed and hence models for various brands too. When it comes to paid subscriptions, she is highly active on OnlyFans and FanCentro. She shares exclusive premium content on these content subscriptions websites. Her 3-month subscription plan is priced at $24 of and $13.33 FanCentro, respectively. However, one can follow her on FanCentro without paying a single penny. On OnlyFans, she has shared more than 1.4k posts while gaining more than 681k total likes. According to the calculations, she is estimated to make around $45,000 each month from this source. Here are a few facts about her. She is a wanderlust and has been to many countries such as Turkey, Sweden, Spain, etc. She has a few tattoos inked on her body. Her favorite music genre is heavy metal. She is a foodie and has a dedicated Instagram account where she shares food content. She made her Netflix debut with the TV series Naked Director 2. However, she appeared for around 2 minutes only. She loves open-minded people whereas she grew up in a country where most of the people weren't really open-minded. Though she was born in Japan, she is currently located in Europe. She shares her gorgeous photos on her Instagram handle with over 992k followers. She has a secondary Instagram account under the username RaeLilBlack666 with 108k followers. Her Reddit account has more than 32k karma. She enjoys playing drums during her leisure time. Joined in October 2017, she has over 827k followers with 14k tweets on Twitter. She is a nature lover. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Also, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you can watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.